Yeah! Duhop, you're the most electrifying man on YouTube Entertainment, joined on my left with his iPad. That's right, it's a Friday night funkin' kid. It's my son, the dude. All right, wait, I do have to talk, so just sit here and listen. Do you remember the other day Daddy picked you up, and then we come back to the house, and you said, Daddy, I want to make a movie. And I said, well, go ahead, you get your iPad, and you make your movie. You remember? Well, guess what? Daddy took all that footage from your iPad. Okay? I put it through the processor with the editing. All right? Made a couple little tweaks. And now we've got us your movie. That's right. What everybody is about to watch right now, broski, is your movie. The movie where you made. It was all your ideas. And you pushed Daddy around to do the things you wanted me to do.
Okay, I want to see it.
All right, well, everybody else wants to see it too. So now what I need... Are you Friday Night Funkin'?
No.
There's no Friday Night Funkin' in this movie.
I'm not.
All right? We have a whole movie about Friday Night Funkin', to which you made that movie too. Guys, he's a movie-making master. That's right.
Ow!
Don't hurt yourself.
Ow!
Every time we turn around...
This is my microphone.
Oh, he's trying to fix his microphone. Every time we turn around, he wants to make a movie. I don't know. This kid was born on YouTube, and that's pretty much where he lives. So let's see what's going on in that little brain in his head upstairs. Let's watch this movie. I already know because I watched it and edited it. But he wants to watch it, and I know you guys do, too. So let's not waste any more time. Can you tell everybody, say, I really want you to enjoy my movie.
I really want you to just show my movie.
It's just what? It's time for a pile of cowboy poop. All right, let's get ready for some The Dude's Cowboy Poop movie.
You see it. Hey, yo. Okay. Daddy, I'm trying to do my intro.
All right, I'm sorry. Start again with your hey, yo. Pump the brakes.
Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, do that. Hello, everybody. I'm back with another show. This time, I'm gonna ride these two tough animals down the racetrack.
You're going to race those two animals down the racetrack?
Daddy, come here. Remember the Doors video?
Yeah, I do remember the first video.
You were in it. You gotta be in this last one.
All right, well, can Daddy make something to eat? And then what we'll do is I'll get something to eat and we'll set up a jump, okay? And then tell them we'll be back with the jump all set and ready to go.
Okay, but I think I kind of already made the jump.
Oh, you already made the jump?
Okay, now we need something to catch them.
We don't need nothing to catch them. They should smash and break.
No! We need something to catch them. Daddy, you let me do this. I'm gonna slide.
Don't cry. All right, get a pillow or something. Or maybe that big blue blanket you can put at the bottom.
Okay, sure, slide it.
Perfect.
Okay. I need your help setting this all over the floor.
You need me to, setting up the blanket all over the floor?
Okay.
Now remember, these trucks aren't going to go up a jump, but they'll go down. They don't have enough power to drive up the hill.
They have no power.
They don't have enough power to go uphill, but they can go downhill like a bat out of hell.
Okay. Let me just sit. I'm gonna just sit. I'm mad with the jump.
Oh, you're back with the jump already?
I'm mad with the jump already.
Well, why don't, real quick, I know you want to do this jump, but why don't you go get the tripod and we can hang your iPad from it in a different position because nobody can even see the bottom where they're going to land, where your camera is at now.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're back with the jump. Here is the day we're saying, do not touch the lava 2.
Oh, no, that's the game, don't touch the lava?
2.
Oh, part 2.
It's more easier.
It's round.
Because part 1 is difficult.
Part 1 is difficult, so they skipped right to part 2?
No, I did it at Mommy's house. Mommy didn't even let me to do this.
Oh, yeah?
Mommy didn't let me to
It might be dangerous.
The shot the camera shots. These shots that do it not over the camera. They do it not over. I need to tradition it. Why do they do not over?
We're not gonna knock it over. Don't touch it.
I need to move it. Okay, I moved it. Wait, I need to move it. I need to hold on. Okay, now it's to the end. Perfect. Daddy, tell me you're on this house.
I'm coming.
Here, turn. I picked your tailor and get to my tailor. Ready?
Hold on, wait.
Okay. On your mark, get ready.
Hold on, Daddy's grinding them up for you.
Get.
Okay.
Go!
Wait. What's the rule? Whoever hits the mat in the ocean first?
No, whoever hits the mat turns into a lava monster.
Oh, whoever hits whoever hits the bottom makes a lava monster first.
The shots. No, you have to get on the water.
All right. You tell me who wins. You just say 3, 2, 1, cowboy poop. I'll let them go, and then you tell me who wins.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, cowboy poop.
Who won?
You.
It looked like the orange one in a minute, but then at the end it looked like it was the blue one. We might have to stop it and roll it back and find out. Slow motion.
No, the short one. I know how to do it.
Okay,
No,
I
the
trust.
short one.
I didn't never.
The short one. It did not turn into a lava monster.
He's now a lava monster.
And he's now gonna be at the beginning. Now, Daddy, and I touched the lava monster. I might have to restart this whole dead. Okay.
Damn shame.
Okay. Okay,
He's ready. Good click.
Okay.
Go lava monster.
That was Sean.
Wow, you smashed the other guy right in the face. That was cool.
Darn it! I'm still not starting over again. Daddy. Daddy, you would be on the lava monster team.
I'm going to be on the lava monster team.
And
Daddy was on the eat and toast team because I was hungry.
no!
Why not?
You can eat toast. Buy it. You should eat toast. But make sure you're not slapping me. Okay, you're gonna use, Daddy!
Why am I going to lose?
This is my shot. It's totally. Oh. It's not soda.
My shot is cooler.
This shot is a lava monster.
My truck is a bull.
Let's see. It didn't slip.
There it is.
It slipped. You want yellow one says not the win.
Go.
Yummy. You hit the water. You hit the water. That means you're not a lava monster anymore.
Perfect.
No, that means you use.
Oh. That's the thing.
Now I'm gonna be on the lava team.
Oh, okay.
Now, Daddy, Daddy.
Okay.
You don't. I'm gonna try to beat Daddy, which is a.
Ready? Steady. Get your hand out of my toast.
Daddy.
3, 2, 1, cowboy shit. Wow, mine was perfect. He landed on his wheels and would have kept going if you weren't sitting in the way. Cowboy shit.
Okay. See you later on the next I will see you on the next chapter.